na nga. Pilipinas laban sa Pilipinas. Hawak ang kanilang kampyonato ng M2 World Championship. Kaya ba ng Hive magwagi ito ang AP Red?
This is a team that has defied all odds. Ipinakita na sila ang pinakamalakas sa buong mundo. But they have to keep their composure. Hindi na maaaring mangyari yung nangyari from the previous matches. This is a clean slate and they want to go up against the best of the best.
Nakita nga natin na nawalan sila ng momentum, pero the team that has the momentum right now. 3-0 kanina. Isa pang panalo, one more code to break. Makakabalik kaya muli ang Blacklist International sa Grand Finals ng M-Series. Is this another Grand Finals for Blue?